degree to become a QA tester? Or is that just another tech myth? Because the truth might surprise you. No degree, no tech background. Can you still get a QA job? In the US, thousands of people want to switch into tech, but many feel stuck because they don't have a computer science degree. And honestly, tech companies used to care a lot about degrees, but today, things are changing. QA means quality assurance. Your job is to test applications, find bugs, improve quality, and make sure users don't face problems. You don't start by building software. You start by understanding how software behaves. Can you really get a QA job without a degree? Yes, some QA testers still get jobs without degrees, especially in manual testing, junior QA roles, freelance testing, and startup companies. But in today's competitive job market, strong skills, projects, and practical experience matter more than ever. Companies care less about certificates and more about whether you can actually prove your abilities through hands-on work, problem solving, and a solid portfolio. First, learn manual testing. Then learn basic QA tools. A portfolio is more powerful than simply saying you're passionate. Communication skills also matter a lot in QA. You don't need to know everything to get started. Many people enter QA step by step. Focus on learning, practicing, and consistently showing real work. That's what helps you stand out. The job market is more competitive now, but skilled beginners still find opportunities. Not having a degree doesn't mean you can't succeed. Sometimes, one opportunity is all it takes to change your career. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more QA and testing content.